Okay, good morning. Welcome to
AwesomeMath number 164.
AwesomeMath164. Today we're in the review section of our intro geometry part of the book.
Yep. And
we've been talking about perimeter and area in this section a little bit. And we ran across this very interesting problem. It says I have a rectangle, ABCD.
Yep.
And I cut this side in half, AC, mark that with X, but that's the midpoint of AC, and then Y is the midpoint of CD. And then we make this rectangle, AXY, and the question was, what fraction of the rectangle is shaded?
Well, let's see. Well, if we put a line that was perpendicular to this line, this CD, put a line that was perpendicular to it here, then we'd get these the same as this rectangle here. If we call this point W, then ACYW is the rectangle. ACYW is half this big rectangle.
Okay.
So if we want to find, my strategy is going to be finding this area, like this fraction of the rectangle, and this fraction of the rectangle, and then subtracting them away from the whole rectangle, then we'll get left with this fraction, this triangle, which will be the remaining fraction.
Okay.
So first we start out with 1, and we're subtracting 1/2. Then
Where's that 1/2?
well, this is half of the rectangle.
Ah.
Subtracting that.
Ah, very interesting. Okay, so the whole rectangle we're just calling the area 1.
Mm.
And then we subtract away half of it.
Yep.
Okay.
If this line runs from this point, there, that means it's half of ACYW, which means it's 1/4 of the big rectangle. So minus 1/4. Then we have this left. But this is strange because this line is running to the midpoint, so if we draw a line like this, this will be a midpoint too.
Okay.
So then this will be the same triangle, and we'll have half of this rectangle, half of this, so it'll be 1/4 of the big rectangle, and there's 2 triangles in here, so it's 1/8. So then we have 1 minus 1/2 minus 1/4 minus 1/8.
Wow.
And we left out this section because that's the section we want to find.
Okay.
So we have 8/8 because we have this common denominator is 8 minus 4/8 minus 2/8 minus 1/8. So we have 8/8 minus 7/8, which is 1/8. So this triangle is 1/8 of the big rectangle.
Wow. That's really cool. That's a great solution. Tell you what, let's call this part A.
Okay.
And we'll do a part B.
Okay.
Okay. With the same problem. In fact, I'll leave your same picture even on the board, and we'll talk about a different way to solve this problem. Okay.
Okay.